This is Kush, and today I will introduce you to an exciting product innovation we are working at Komet. As we know, Komet is a social wallet for communities to discover, trade, and own digital collectibles without worrying about seed phrase, paying hefty transaction fees, or confusing fiat crypto transactions across networks and marketplaces, which means you will be shopping NFTs like fashion in the world's most secured and simplified gateway to Web3. No hassles, one touch for the next billion users. So let's look at what's inside. Comet is exclusive for digital collectibles, where you can discover, interact, and own global communities and collectibles in an aggregated views across marketplaces with a social wallet. Get real time high value distilled alphas at lightning speed, and we'll talk about decentralized user owned data features soon. But let's look at the simplified one touch Comet onboarding. So I logged into Comet, signed in with the Google method, entered my Gmail. Here I entered my password, and this creates a non custodial wallet similar to MetaMask for a layman user. Then you define your digital identity at Cometverse. This identity is searchable across multi-chains corresponding to your wallet. Now we have Comet Social Wallet to discover and trade NFTs. In the Wallet tab, I can access coins, collectibles, and credentials. And notification is one of the high value tabs that serves you distilled alphas without FOMO on a real time basis. And today, now we are talking about a new feature reveal which brings solid utility for enterprises. This new dimension of self sovereign identity framework in partnership with Polygon unlocks a gamut of technical and business capabilities with an embedded zero knowledge through advanced cryptographic proofs, where Comet Polygon pioneers a self sovereign identity that are well equipped with utmost privacy, security, and autonomy for digital assets. Polygon and Comet collaboration brings self sovereign IDs, which minimizes consumer risks, ensures regulatory compliances, and safeguards user owned sensitive data. For creators, Comet as a platform is supercomposable across multi-chains in one touch. You will be able to issue and verify credentials for holders. While you interact with digital assets across networks, these account aggregated credentials will eliminate some of the biggest inefficiencies and redundant efforts for brands. And this gap exists due to centralized and unverifiable nature of credentials for metaverses. DIDs will eliminate this boring process, bring efficiencies, personalization, and meaningful consumer relationships while saving time for users. Now let's look at how a credential will work for a layman holder. Here I tried claiming GM credentials and it shows that I'm still level 1 and not eligible, which means I'm not getting platform benefits like direct whitelist allocation or preferred gasless minting and swaps on network. And I'm totally dependent on creators' approval for this spot. Now let's shoot the 10th GM streak and go to level 2. And here I signed the streak. Now I'm level 2. Again, when I claim GM credentials, here you go. Received a notification. Once I claim this, there you go. I own this credential right in my Comet social wallet under the credential section. Now let's apply for the whitelist spot for another exclusive collection. And this time, since I qualify for level 2, I'll get whitelisted for this and will be minting it gasless on priority. So this ends the demo here, and this is one of the most primitive use cases that DIDs bring for the future of permissionless digital culture. So what can be achieved by enterprises with Comet Polygon DIDs? Minimize risk liabilities, effortless regulatory compliances, and self-managed user-owned data, while cutting cost and operational hiccups.